It's a partly cloudy start to this weekend over the central and eastern parts of South Africa, but a fine day lies ahead for the Western and Northern Cape. It's for the three easternmost provinces that we're expecting a lot of rain today. The South African Weather Service issued a watch. Heavy falls of rain with more than 50 millimeters in 24 hours is possible in the Lowveld, the northeastern parts of KwaZulu-Natal, as well as southern Mozambique. Our super MicroCast gives us a better impression of where and when this rain will take place. Moderate to heavy precipitation likely over southern Mozambique and the border with South Africa, while isolated thunderstorms will develop during the course of the afternoon on the Highveld. Our rainfall probability map shows an 80% chance of rain and showers over the southern parts of Mozambique and the adjacent provinces in South Africa. There's still a 60% chance of rain along the east coast today, with isolated thunderstorms over the northeastern interior. Now, where the sun shines this afternoon, it's going to get hot. 36 degrees in Uppington, 34 in Vredendal and Kimberley. Cape Town pleasantly warm at 28 degrees, slightly cooler towards the east coast, and Mbombela warming up to only 23. Let's take a closer look at the coastal forecast for today. Fresh southerly to southwesterly winds along the west coast, accompanied by a 2.5 meter open ocean swell, while high tide is expected at approximately 3:45 this afternoon. For the southwest coast, we have strong winds in the forecast for False Bay, speeds up to 30 kilometers per hour in Hermanus and along the Atlantic seaboard, and stronger winds in the vicinity of Cape Agulhas as well. We still have an open ocean swell of 2.5 meters. For the southern Cape coastline, a southwesterly swell of 2.5 meters as well. East to southeasterly winds becoming quite strong in the vicinity of Algoa Bay. And finally, for the east coast, wet weather along the east coast, Richards Bay with a southeasterly breeze up to 30 kilometers per hour, and fresh easterlies onto the wild coast between East London and Port St John's.